You did ask me to pay you, and people always ask me, did I pay Cooking with Kaya? And y'all was saying 4K. I told y'all, no, I did 50. Okay? Now, I'm going to make you one offer. Okay? I'm going to make you one offer, Auntie TIA KEMP. And this is the only offer. I have $800,000 in cash. If you can do exactly what you just did in this video, I got $800,000.
First off, where these little streamers get all this money from? You should be glad he's paying you 800 G's. I am. Baby, I'm flattered. I know I be playing around a lot. I didn't think the little boy be thinking of him. I didn't ask him to borrow that now. I charged him a fee. What do you think? That's something like them girls have been in Disney movies and they can't do that kind of stuff? They've been over there flipping around with Beyonce and stuff. They're beautiful. They shaped up nice, especially that one dancing up on that African and stuff. Both of them. And you mean? Tell me. Like Cooking with Kaya say, you don't cook your clap for your man, or your baby daddy, or whoever. I'ma come and do it. Long as the price is right. 800K is the price. What you mean? Like, you stop putting like I won't go make this thing. Can I go try to make it clap 80 times in a row for that? Guys, you serious? Can I get a Charlie horse in the left cheek, right cheek, left hip, right hip? Bruh, I don't care. The pelvis could be stuck for a week. I'll be walking like Shamar. All I care as long as I win and get my money. And it ain't nothing funny. Honey, that's all I'm saying. Gorilla say, it's all there. Bruh, I come in a moo-moo. I come in G. She said, make that thing beat like a drum. Hey, man. Oh, tell me. So today, guys, hey guys, today we're cooking with Auntie, and what do you want, Bristows, or you want pancakes? No pancakes this morning. Pancakes? You want pancakes? These kind of pancakes. That kind of pancakes? You want little pancakes? You want $7 pancakes, or you want big flapjacks? Tell D.D.G to get over here and pay me for cooking. D.D.G, I'll make you some nutty batter based meatloaf, homemade smashed potatoes, gravy, green beans with smoked turkey wings in them. If you want Hawaiian rolls with cinnamon and sugar and butter on, I cook you with Auntie. I do that also, or I'll make Auntie, cook your way. He's scared. He's scared of the food. He's scared of the food. Why your face so ugly?
Get in the car, just go. Get it up. 2 men in back, just get in a black truck. All these folks can't get it up. 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 Nigga, freak out there. I be ready. Get down on one knee, a nigga. Make me sweat. Bitch, I cut a nigga off for one. See the shit? How you take a drop it down?
Text him like I need a verse.